Hey guys, so today we're gonna camber this roller. We're probably gonna run you through how we built this part in front. I don't know if you can see that. Tell you what we did over there and everything else that's happening, and just trying to continue and set everything up better so that way it rides smooth once we get all that drained. So I hope you enjoy the video and thank you. See you at the end. So this roller is getting its final packing. Rides great, super cambered, super nice, super smooth. And if you look at it like this, you can see the curve. Or over here, you can also see the curve and the camber. So nice. We have to patch a couple braking bumps down there. And then this roller is brand new. This new roller, brand new, super flowy. And then it goes into the newly built jank plank. It's called the jank plank, newly built. And it's just a wooden lip that goes this landing, which you can connect. So, I mean, if you want to show some style, it's a 45 hip, so it's hipped. Well, if you're gonna land like to hit that jump over there, it's a 45 hip. So now we're just gonna do another time lapse, finish up raking, watering, packing, filling the braking bumps in this, and then that's gonna be it. All it does is packs it actually. So as you keep jumping on it and landing on it, this whole thing packs down the landing even more. So really it just helps us, but you can't ride if the plywood's wet because you'll slip out. So you gotta let it dry, like down there. You can't really ride yet. So we're hoping to get this sorted today, right? If we can. So yeah, keep going. There was, if you guys remember from last video, towards the end, there was a berm here. We decided to get rid of it. One, because it kind of didn't do much for you. Like, it's fun to hit and roost and stuff, but it didn't do much, so not helpful if it doesn't do anything. And there's those over there baking. So we're just patching up all the holes from the giant berm that was here. And then we fixed up this berm, so the start's here. And it kind of the top high point's like right there, and it finishes out. This roller is gonna get bigger, because not a lot bigger, but a little bigger, and cambered a little bit, kind of like those, but not as much. Just needs a little bit of better roller. This jump here needs a lot of work. It's really bad. And then you guys all know that jump. So that's gonna get touched up. Basically everything's getting touched up in this video. Probably not gonna get a lot of riding in. Probably not at all. One, my bike's broken, and my bike's getting a special thing added and some other things taken off. So I'll show you that when that's done. So right now we're just kind of waiting for the bike shop to open so I can ride again. And then, because they'll be open Wednesday? I think Wednesday. Just gonna, and then we'll probably have to work on drainage for this now that there's like, you know, and this has to get taken care of, which is the drainage for back there, which goes into here, which then goes in that pipe, which then goes down and then down over there, which needs to get all corrugated, but Home Depot's closed for our town. Well, not for our town, but for our local area. So we can't go there, because you guys know, quarantine, 6 feet apart. So we're just gonna keep them time-lapsing. We've done it a couple times. My bike broke, so he's gonna test it. Woo-wee. And then if you have enough speed coming through here, which you probably won't, you can hit that. Maybe eventually you'll have enough speed, but pretty sick. Johnny, wanna hit the big jump? All right. Again, my bike's out of commission. I would be sending right now, but sadly my bike's getting worked on for that special video. It'll be soon. And stomps it. So that's basically just a little riding preview of like our jumps. So like the big jump, this jank plank, the big roller, the other roller. And that's pretty much it for like our riding features. We'll just give you like a quick overview of what we did today. We got all of this filled in, nice fresh dirt. Got this filled in. We're filling this in this hole in this drainage area because we got all that settled. And it'll be way nicer not having all these holes over here. And like I said earlier in the video, we're gonna put grass along the side over here. So like, there'll be like grass like that just along over here, next to the roller, the jank plank over here. And it'll look really nice. And yeah, just like the basic setup. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video so far. Okay, so we're just taking down the berm that we talked about was there in the last video. So there's just like 2 clips of us taking down the berm and adding some stuff down in the bomb hole. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video, the last like 50 seconds of the video. So see ya. Peace.